Hello everyone, and welcome to another update at the Lapointe Urban Homestead. It's currently the beginning of November in Zone 5B. Let's quickly go through the latest update of our current garden in preparation for winter. Our front garden has a few remaining items left which require harvest and cleanup. As you can see here, our raspberry canes are actually starting to wither back for winter and still require some pre-frost preparations for Zone 5B. We also acquired some straw from our local gardening center, only to notice that some of the grass is growing through. Since this is our first year using it on our beds, please throw up a comment if this is normal, as we've been picking them out as we see them. Our blueberries at this point are done and beginning to go dormant for the winter. Next, in the back of the house, we have some leek still left in the garden at this time, and some our gardening beds that have garlic planted in them. However, as you can see, both of these beds need to be weeded. Additionally, the one in our back section here, we've also covered with the same straw as the bed in the front, which as you can see has started to populate with a lot of grass. Additionally, we also had a bit of a rodent problem with this bed, as the local squirrels decided that they think it was a great idea to dig in the garden and pull up some of the garlic, surprisingly enough. Here is also some of our perennials, as our rhubarb and some of our more outdoor raspberry canes can be found. Lastly, this is our internal garden for the winter. It still has some herbs, strawberry plants in a planter, tomatoes, and peppers that are growing. At this point, we're growing bell peppers and jalapeno peppers. We have also found that some of the spiders here in my garage have found it as a home for the fall and winter. And as far as for its growing conditions, we have some grow lights in here, along with a relatively heated environment here in the garage. We also have some onions from a harvest earlier in the year that are drying still, and as you can see from the temperature gauge, it's still relatively warm in the garage. And lastly, we have some garlic here also drying from earlier in the year. Thank you for watching the Lapointe Urban Homesteads update here for November 2021. If you'd like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.